Here we have the floating glute bridge exercise. You're going to need 2 benches, or a bench or a platform. If you're doing this at home, oftentimes a couch and like an ottoman or a coffee table works well. But the hardest version of the exercise is shoulders supported on a bench and foot supported on the other bench. I like to use the ball of the foot because when we're running, performing athletic activities, we are on the ball of the foot, we're not on the heel. So I like to use the ball of the foot on the bench. Keep that knee bent at like a 20-degree angle, and you're going to be pulsing up and down with that weight. If pulsing up and down with that weight is too challenging, then you can simply just hold the weight at your chest. If that's still too challenging, you can go to body weight, just holding. A little bit more challenging than just holding is, again, pulsing up and down with the body weight. But again, we're on the foot, should feel calf and hamstring as we raise, calf, hamstring, and glute as we raise up and down. And again, if one leg is still too challenging for you, you can always start on 2 feet, just simply holding the position. Or again, to advance it from the isometric, is you'd pulse up and down with both feet on the bench. Beginners will start with just an isometric hold, both feet on the bench, progress to pulses with both feet on the bench, then you can even add a weight with both feet on the bench. Once you start adding a weight with both feet on the bench, then it's time to start progressing to single leg, body weight holds, single leg body weight pulses, and then finally single leg body weight pulses with a weight